Eemamwiciki Summer Programs are a series of week-long learning experiences that are designed now for ages, 1-year-old all the way till as old as someone can be.
Between the 5 programs now, 100 Myaamia people plus coming together and sort of learning a lot of the same things, which I think helps build that community bond when you're understanding this cultural knowledge and learning it together.
Last year we were learning about houses and where we used to live and how we used to live. This year it's more about song and dance, what the songs represent, what the lyrics represent, what dances are supposed to be for.
We developed a 6-theme cycle so that we could create new and different experiences every year, so that someone who enters a program as a 10-year-old would have a different experience every year until they leave as a 16-year-old, until they graduate and move on to another program. The 6 themes are homes, song and dance, games, living on the land or ecology, earth and sky, and our kinship system, relationships. And that way, every youth who comes through that program, they have a similar experience. They have all those fundamental understandings of who we are as Myaamwiyankwi.
Learning a language and everything is so important and so much fun because you get on a roll with it, and it's like, I want to make sure I know how to say this word, and I won't stop until I know how to say this word.
It was a way of connection through daughters and granddaughters, and we can talk about different things they're doing. I wanted to learn more about our culture too, and it's been interesting to be with other Myaami people and be able to talk as we're doing different crafts and things. So I've really enjoyed the camaraderie that we've had with others.
I've learned how to shake rattles. You're supposed to shake the rattles at Makasina. I have made friends with Emma and my counselor and the Oliver in my clan. I like to do arts and crafts with them.
It's more encouraging to be here than to be learning like this kinds of things at school where nobody's very interested in it, but everybody here is interested in it because it's part of their history and it's part of who they are.
It makes for members that understand when they come to general council meetings or they're just out there in life, they're able to explain who we are. We're not a people of the past, we're people of today. We're alive, we're vibrant, and it gives them the knowledge they need to be able to explain who we are as a nation. And so I just think it's important, that knowledge base that they get here, and then they pass it on to everyone else.
Many people come into this having had little or no contact with the community. And then through gaining knowledge, through understanding our language, our knowledge system, our cultural practices, people feel like they finally have something to tell other people about what it means to be Myaamia.
I'm happy to be learning more about who I am, and I belong here.